Good morning and salutations, y'all. Today we got a Zildjian Z Custom China 18-inch, and as you can tell right here, there's a crack. And the way we're gonna fix this, we're gonna wave it out. But before we do, let's give it a little sound test. Sounds a bit wavy to me. Let's fix this baby up. Alright, y'all, we're back with the Zildjian Z Custom China 18-inch, and as you can tell, we repaired the crack. It is now smooth as butter, as Paula Dean says. I guess whenever she takes a bath. That's a big dragonfly. God dang. Anyways, let's give this cymbal a little sound test.